And welcome back to our first full week of learning in 2021. I'm really proud of the work that our students have been doing to transition from their winter break to our first full week of learning. We want to make sure that students are following the Rhode Island Department of Health guidelines. We've had a slight uptick in terms of number of students that have contracted COVID-19 during the winter break, and we want to make sure that you know to as much as possible to stay home in your family or your home and not congregate with other students. We want to make sure that other people are safe and they're not prohibited from coming to school or for different events. The best way to do that is to follow the universal precautions that you've seen throughout the course of this year. And I know sometimes it's hard, but we need to all work together to make sure that we're safe and that we're not asymptomatically or symptomatically spreading the COVID virus to other people. But this is a time of renewal. Some of you have already created some New Year's resolutions to be able to not only improve yourself, but also improve your growth as a student and also as a human being. The best way to do that is to examine three main areas. One is to be your best. How you're going to be your best depends on what your goals are and your challenges that you have as a student and as a person, and create an area where you can maximize everything that you have, all the talents that you have, to be able to move forward, to be a contributing positive member not only of society but of your family as well. If nothing has taught us in the last couple of days is that we need to be respectful. We're going to encounter people that are going to be having different opinions than we do. That doesn't mean that we discard them or we need to put them down. We need to be respectful. We need to be tolerant of other people's points of view, and that's what makes us a greater society. By being able to accept other people and their ideas and their values, and then be able to also articulate your own. So being respectful is very important. Sometimes it's easy. Easy things, or the path least traveled, is not always the best path. And at times you might be confronted with an option to or an opportunity to miss out on a particular class. Be where you're supposed to be when you're supposed to be there. 90% of success is being at the right place at the right time. You never know when that class is going to inspire you to have greater thoughts about that particular subject matter than you had before. And in order for your brain to grow, you need to expose yourself to as many opportunities for learning as possible. So being where you're supposed to be, when you're supposed to be there, being in class every day, even though it's hard, it's not easy, is going to help you grow, and it's going to make you a better student and also a better person, with great opportunities to express your talents in a way that's going to be beneficial to yourself and the rest of society. So I look forward to seeing you next week. Some of you are in the hybrid model. Will be here on Tuesday through Friday. Everyone knows that on Monday we have Flex Day. I'm hoping to maybe check in with some of your classes as you work with your teachers throughout the course of the day. Thank you, and have a great weekend.